So this next poem is kind of, so that was literal language. This is about body language in the form of a type of body language which people all over the world practice, but the black race has kind of developed a signature for this particular body language, and the black female in particular has really like stamped this particular gesture. So this poem I wrote to celebrate this gesture, and it's called Neckrollology. The most venomous snake in all of Africa is not the black mamba, though it does come from the depths of the Congo, pulled deep from the arch in her back, deep from hand on hip, grinding and winding, wound up, whiplash, reptilian stance of one about to strike something, make space. This is a cosmic conjure of ancient name like Zanzibar, Zambia, or Mozambique, which left the Greeks baffled by its geometry. Its improvised axis is jazz, falls between third and fourth dimensions, angular rotation 720 degrees, rotational speed 45 revolutions per minute. She spun it and spun it out of control. A neck roll. If I had wanted a double cheeseburger, I would have wanted a